The future isn't coming. It's already being built. In labs, workshops, and virtual spaces across the globe, visionaries are crafting inventions that will reshape how we live, move, create, and connect. We're about to take you on a journey through 14 mind-blowing inventions that are redefining what's possible. One innovation at a time. This isn't just a countdown. It's a glimpse into the world we're about to live in. Let's begin. Number 1 is the Ring Mouse, a futuristic computer mouse that you actually wear on your finger. This compact, lightweight device replaces the bulky traditional mouse with a sleek, thumb-controlled trackpad. With in-air navigation, smooth scrolling, and effortless clicking, it gives you complete control without ever touching a desk. Imagine delivering a presentation and advancing slides with just a flick of your thumb, or sitting back on the couch while controlling your laptop or TV screen from across the room. The Ring Mouse proves that big control can come in a tiny package, and it's only the first step into the future. Let's move on to number 2. Number 2 is the AR contact lens, the world's first true smart lens that turns your eye into a digital display. You're walking through a busy city, and instead of pulling out your phone, directions appear right in front of your eyes, guiding you step by step. Need to check your heart rate during a workout? Or see a notification without breaking eye contact in a meeting? The lens projects it all directly onto your retina, hands-free, seamless, and invisible to everyone else. It is more than just augmented reality. It's what developers call invisible computing, keeping your focus on the real world while layering in the digital one. The AR contact lens shows us a future where technology disappears into our lives, and the next invention takes that vision even further.
Imagine a 3D printer so advanced, it feels less like a tool and more like a factory on your desk. This is the ProForge 5, a high-performance, multi-tool printer built for speed, power, and limitless creativity. With up to 5 independent tool heads and an automatic tool changer, it can switch tasks in seconds, sculpting, cutting, or printing without missing a beat. Inside its heated, enclosed chamber, a powerful quad-core XY motion system and a built-in Raspberry Pi 5 running Clipper deliver unmatched precision. It's not just a printer, it's a production powerhouse, and it's redefining what's possible in 3D manufacturing. Next up, the future takes another leap.
In the heart of tomorrow's factories, a new kind of worker is taking its first steps, and it walks just like us. This is the UB Tech Walker S2, a next-generation humanoid robot built for non-stop operation in the most dynamic environments. With anthropomorphic bipedal locomotion, it strides with balance and precision, navigating spaces designed for people. But its true breakthrough is endurance, a revolutionary hot-swappable battery system that lets the Walker S2 replace its own power supply. A robot that never rests, built to keep the world moving, and the future of work is only just beginning. In a world where humanoid robots often feel out of reach, one company is bringing advanced robotics closer to everyone. Meet the Unitree R1, an ultra-lightweight, customizable humanoid robot designed to make cutting-edge AI accessible. Standing just over 1.2 meters tall and weighing only 25 kilograms, the R1 is compact yet remarkably capable. With 26 agile joints, it walks with balance and fluidity, mimicking human motion in a way that feels natural and lifelike. Powered by a multimodal AI system, it can interact in real time through both voice and vision, listening, seeing, and responding like a true assistant. A robot designed not just for labs, but for learning and discovery everywhere. The Unitree R1 is proof that the future of robotics belongs to all of us. The Ostation 2 Pro is an all-in-one smart charging hub designed to simplify and supercharge the way you power your life. It's the first system in the world to track battery health and cycles per cell, giving you real-time insights into the life of every Li-ion battery. With a sleek touchscreen display, app monitoring, and over-the-air updates, it doesn't just charge, it evolves with you. 2 magnetic charging ports keep your Olight flashlights ready for action, while a polarity-free design means no more fumbling with battery orientation. It's not just a charger, it's the future of battery management, built to keep your world powered without interruption.
You're running late for work, you grab your shirt, and it's a wrinkled mess. That's where the Einsen comes in, the world's first fully automated ironing device that delivers a crisp, professional finish in under a minute. Using patent-pending technology, it combines powerful pressing with dry, superheated steam to smooth out every crease with precision. No more standing over an ironing board, no more wasted time. Just wrinkle-free clothes, refreshed and ready to wear. The Einsen transforms one of the most tedious chores into a seamless, futuristic experience. And the next invention takes convenience even further.
For years, our health has been measured in fragments. A scan here, a test there, numbers scattered across time. OMNIA changes that. Built on 15 years of Withings innovation, it's a revolutionary health platform designed to bring the full picture together. Using an exclusive multi-source approach, OMNIA seamlessly combines data from real-life health scans into one intelligent system. For patients, it means clarity. For healthcare providers, it means powerful insights that make treatment more precise and personal. It's the future of personalized care, where technology doesn't just track your health, it empowers it. And the next invention takes that vision even further. The Zhaotun Underwater Jetpack is a lightweight, backpack-style thruster that transforms diving into effortless exploration. Powered by an AI cruise control system, it intuitively adjusts to your body movements, giving you hands-free mobility as if the water itself obeyed your command. On a single charge, you can explore for up to 90 minutes, drifting, diving, and discovering the underwater world with ease. Whether for freediving, adventure, or pure curiosity, the Aquatic-Jetpack turns the ocean into your playground. It's not just swimming, it's flying underwater. And the next invention takes us even further into the future. Vacuum cleaners have always been bulky, noisy, and awkward. But what if cleaning felt as effortless as holding a pencil? The Dyson PencilVac Fluffycones is the world's slimmest cordless vacuum, measuring just 38 millimeters in diameter. Its anti-tangle Fluffycones cleaner head uses 4 conical brush bars to stop hair from wrapping, keeping every clean smooth and uninterrupted. LED illumination reveals the dust you can't see, while Dyson's hyperdymium motor delivers up to 90 minutes of powerful runtime. It's not just a vacuum. It's cleaning, re-engineered for the future. And the next invention takes innovation to an entirely new level. In the race to discover new medicines, every second counts. But traditional lab work is slow, complex, and often inconsistent. The BioCellX by CellInc is changing that. A high-throughput, automated biodispenser that brings a new era of biofabrication. Using high-precision positive displacement extrusion and pre-validated protocols, it rapidly creates reproducible 3D cellular models like spheroids and organoids. From automated cell and bio-ink mixing to precise temperature control ranging from 0 to 60 degrees Celsius, every step is streamlined inside a sterile, plug-and-play workflow. The BioCellX doesn't just speed up science, it redefines how we build the building blocks of life itself. And the next invention pushes innovation even further. For 75 years, cargo planes have looked the same, flown the same, and carried the world's goods the same way. Natilus is rewriting that story, with a blended-wing autonomous air freight system built to transform global trade. Its futuristic blended-wing body isn't just for looks. It maximizes cargo capacity, improves fuel efficiency, and redefines what an aircraft can be. Fully autonomous, Natilus is designed to fly non-stop across oceans, moving goods faster, safer, and more efficiently than ever before. Natilus isn't just building planes, it's building the future of cargo transportation. And the next invention takes us even further into tomorrow. Incubated by Insta360, this revolutionary drone captures a complete 360-degree view in stunning 8K resolution. Using dual lenses that automatically stitch together, the drone itself disappears from the footage, leaving only pure, uninterrupted perspective. Creators can fly first and frame later, reframing, zooming, or even bending reality with effects like Tiny Planet, all in post-production. Weighing just 249 grams, it's lightweight, portable, and often exempt from registration, making cinematic flight accessible anywhere. The Antigravity A1 isn't just a drone. It's a portal to limitless perspectives, where the sky is no longer the limit, but the canvas.